everyone, and today we're going to draw cute cinnamoroll. First, get your Sharpie and then draw the mouth curve like this. And then draw cinnamorolls inside of the mouth. And then draw the tongue. Draw the eyeball here. And the other eyeball here. Then over here, draw a mouth here. And the other earmuff here. And then draw a line over for his head. And another line over for the earmuff. That's really good. Now draw his face here, and when it's around his stop, and draw his hand here with the glove on. That's really good. And then in the face here. And then draw his cheek over here. And the other cheek here. I really like it. Look at the cute chubby face. And then draw the other half of the glove here. And draw down here and the curve here. It's like a backwards L but curved. Okay, so from here draw the foot here. Even going here. Really, it looks like a nut. The foot. No, it doesn't. It just looks perfect. And then draw the other foot here. It looks like a basketball. Basketball feet. It's fine, it looks great. And then go back up, and from here, yours looks giant. No, it doesn't. We'll go back up there and draw the finish of the glove here. And then make a scarf go here. And draw some lines. And finish, go there. And then draw his tail there. And then draw the curve here. And then finish off the scarf here. draw a line here. Now for Cinnamo's hat. Go curve like this. And then these lines, they can be a bit curved. Well done! And now, draw a curve here. It looks like this basketball on the hat. And then draw the pom-pom and 3 curves to show that it's fluffy. And then there's like a sad face. That one looks like an upside down happy face. Okay, so for the ears, from about here, down. And from here, down. You also look like Cinnamoroll has tied his hair. And if you want to add the shadow, you can. And I'm going to add the zip over here. Time to colour in. Get your pink. Oh wait, I know pink, it can be highlighted pink or pink. Colour in the tongue of Cinnamoroll. And then after your tongue, colour in the cheeks. And the other cheek. And then after, get your very dark blue and then colour in Cinnamoroll's eyes. Get your blue and then colour in the scarf and everything, but not these bits, and leave some of the scarf white and not Cinnamoroll's face, of course, and not the earmuffs, and there's lots of knots. And I think we forgot one thing from the pink. The earmuff. Get your peach, and then over here. Over here. With the gloves.
Or where the gloves are.
And then colour the fluffy part of the earmuffs.
Oh no!
Why?
Mr. Puppy Man!
Yeah.
Right, your name?
Harper.
Oh.
I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!